Hi all. In this video, we can do puzzle question row-wise arrangement. We can go for the first question. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and K are sitting in a straight line but not facing south. 3 of them are not males. 2 females sit adjacent to each other. D is 4 to the left of G, who is second to the right of C, who is not an immediate neighbor of A. F is 4 to the right of C and is second to the left of K. D is not an immediate neighbor of either K or B. D is not a male. One of the persons sitting on the extreme end is a female. E is not an immediate neighbor of either G or F. No female is an immediate neighbor of F. H does not sit second to the left of A. The immediate neighbors of D are male. These are the conditions. So, in this question, like our sitting arrangement, if you are doing row-wise arrangement question, we are checking any n place or second from left or third from right, that type condition is there or not. If you are checking such type condition here, there is one condition, one of the person sitting on the extreme end is a female. But in this particular question, they are not mentioned which end is sitting female or which person is that female. So we cannot start with that condition. So in this question, simply we can start with any condition. We have to take the possibilities. So here it is given they are not facing south. So people not facing south means definitely they are facing north. That is, our right is right and left is left. Then we can start with first condition. B is 4 to the left of G. So any one place we can put G. B is 4th left means 1, 2, 3, 4th left is B. Then it is given G, who is second to the right of C. Who is second right means G is second right. G is second right of C means C become here. Then G is second right of C. Who is not an immediate neighbor of A means C is not an immediate neighbor of A. So these two places are not A. Then we have to check any other condition related to B, C or G. Then here one condition related to C is given. F is 4 to the right of C. So C is here 1, 2, 3, 4th right is F. And is second to the left of K. And will represent the first person in the previous sentence. So F. F is second to the left of K. F is here, second left of K means K become here. So now how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 persons. In our question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 persons are there. So all places are here. We have to fill up these places. Okay. Then next condition is given. D is not an immediate neighbor of either K or B. D cannot be neighbor of K or B means D cannot be here and it cannot be here also. So D can be either here or here. Then next condition, D is not a male. D is not a male, so D should be female. So we can represent female by using minus sign, male using plus sign. Then E is not an immediate neighbor of either G or F. E is not an immediate neighbor of either G or F. So E cannot be neighbor of G or F means E cannot be this place and it cannot be here. E cannot be here also. So these three places are not E. Then E become here only. And next condition, no female is an immediate neighbor of F. So females cannot be neighbor of F. So these two places become male member only. And here it is given the possibilities for D are this one and this one. And D is female. So D cannot be here, D here, and it is female. And next condition, no female is an immediate neighbor of F, we already applied. Then H does not sit second to the left of A. These two are the remaining places. H is not second left of A means H can be right side. So A is here, H is here. And in this question, 3 of them are not male, means 3 females are there. And 2 females sits adjacent to each other. And one more thing, one female is sitting at one end. So either K can be female or this one can be female, and two females sits adjacent to each other also. And the immediate neighbors of D are male. Immediate neighbors of D are male means these two also male members. So D is one female and two more females are there. One female is sitting at end and two females are adjacent also. So if we putting this person is female, two females cannot be adjacent to each other. So these two become females and remaining persons are male members. This will be the arrangement. Okay, so we can go for the questions. First question, who is sitting 4 to the right of E? E is here, fourth right means first, second, third, fourth. Fourth right of E is A. So the answer is A. Second question, which of the following is a group of females? Group of females are B, E and D. So second option E, B, D. Third question, if B and C and G and F interchange their position, B and C interchanging, so this become C and this become B, and G and F are interchanging, so this is F and this is G. Then how many persons are sitting between C and G? How many persons between C and G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. So 5 is the answer. Then next question, in which of the following combination is the third person sitting between the first and the second person? Third person between first and second. That is, we have to check A between F and G. Here F, G, A is between F and G. So first option is correct, but none of this is there. We have to check the remaining options also. E, C, G. E is not between C and G. D, A, G. D is not between A and G. B, H, K. H, K, B is not between that. So only first option is the correct answer. So option A is the answer. Okay. So we can go for the next question. Next question, A, B, C, D and E are 5 neighbors who lives on the first floor of an apartment. Their houses are in a row. There is a garage below each house on the ground floor. No person keeps his vehicle in the garage which is just below his house. C and E do not reside at either ends of the row. There are 2 houses between the houses of B and D. A passes vehicle between the vehicles of C and B. 2 persons parks their vehicle between the vehicles of A and D. All houses and garages are facing towards south. The house of B is at extreme east. Okay, so these are the conditions. Then we can check how we can draw this thing. Here it is given 2 parallel rows should be there. First row house and second row garage. This is for first row is for house and second row is for garage. And here it is given garage and houses are facing towards south. So all these are facing south. Then first condition, one condition related to house, it is given there are 2 houses between the house of B and D. Then one more condition is there, the house of B is at extreme east. One condition related to house is given, B's house is extreme east. East means this side, that is, this is east, west, north, south. So extreme east means this one will be B's house. And below that one person's garage is there, we don't know that person. Then condition related to B's house is given, there are two houses between B and D. So 1, 2. After that D's house. So remaining house is here. So garage is below that houses. Then next condition is given, A passes with, here C and E do not reside at either end of the house. C and E's house is not at the end. So C and E's house will be these two places only. We don't know which one is C and which one is E. So we can write down C or E. And remaining person A's house is here. That is clear. Then A passes vehicle between C and B. A is between C and B means there is A is here, this one can be C and this one can be B, because no one is parking their vehicle below his house. So another possibility, A can be here, B can be here and C can be here. It cannot be, this place cannot be C because it is not sure about C or E. And another possibility for garage is A is here, this is B and this is C. These are the possibilities. Then next condition, two persons park their vehicle between the vehicles of A and D. Here A is in the middle. So two persons between A and D is not possible. So we can avoid that possibility. Two persons park their vehicle between A and D. So we can avoid this possibility. These are the three possibilities. Here cannot be C, that's why we are writing D here. Then in this case A is in the middle, so two persons between A and D is not possible. So next condition, here in this case we can apply that one, that is after 2 D can be here. In this case also after 2 garage D become here. So remaining one E is here. In this case also remaining one E is here, but that is not possible because these places are C or E. That is not sure about. So this case also wrong. This one will be the correct arrangement. So this is the arrangement for house and garage. Okay. So we can go for the questions. Who parks his vehicle exactly in the middle garage? Middle garage is B. So first answer is B. Second question, whose house is between C and A? House is between C and A. C's place is not sure. That may be this one or this one. So we cannot say exactly whose house is between C and A. So answer become cannot be determined. Answer become cannot be determined. Then next question, whose house is above A's garage? A's garage above is, it is either C or E, or can't be determined because we cannot say which one is exactly above A's garage. So C or E is the answer. If this option is not there, cannot be determined option is there, we can mark down that one, otherwise none of these. Then next question, if D interchanges his house with B, D and B are interchanging. So this is B and this is D. They are interchanging their houses. Then what is definitely true about B? True about B. In the new house means B's new house is this one. So first option, C and A are his neighbors. They are asking about definitely true. So this is not C it cannot be say that it may be C or E. So we cannot say that is definitely true. Maybe, probably true, but definitely true is not. Then next one, they must have to interchange their garage. They not have to interchange their garage. So that is wrong statement. That is not true. Then the house of C and E are to the right of his house. House of C and E are to the right. It is not right. They are facing south. So this is left side only. So that is also wrong. The house of A is to the right and C is to the left. House of A is right and C is left. That is correct. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. So last question. Which of the following is definitely false? They are asking about definite false statement or wrong statement. B and C are neighbors. B and C are neighbors. It is not sure about that. So we cannot say definitely false. Then B passes vehicle below D's house. B passes vehicle below D's house. B is not below D's house. It may be above. Its house is either C or E. It is not below D's house. So that is definitely wrong or false. So B may be the answer, but none of this is there. We have to check the remaining options also. Then third one, C and E are neighbors. C and E are neighbors. That is correct. If any place is C or E, that become neighbors. So that is not false statement, it is true statement. Then there are two houses between the house of E and A. It is also not sure. Maybe two or one also. So that is also not definitely false. None of these. And second option B is definitely false statement. Okay. So if we draw this diagram, we can easily answer the question. Then we should be very careful while we are drawing this diagram. In this question, there are possibility for C and E. These two places C or E. So if we are drawing the diagram, we should write down C or E here in both places. Otherwise, if we are writing C here and E here, then we will take this one is B. This also will possible. That is, this case also will be possible there at that time. Or if you are writing E, C here, then we will write C, B here also. That possibility also will be there. At that time our arrangement become wrong. So in this case, we cannot change the house according to the garage. We should write down the house either C or E itself. Okay. Okay, then parallel line arrangement also will be there. Next video we can discuss that also. Thank you.